Tell us where we're going.
We're going to the other shop.
Why?
Because we're gonna go pick up the Urus.
Which one?
The beige metallic.
Oh, it's done?
No, it's not done.
Oh.
The hood is not ready, and then the bumper is at the shop.
I know.
You want me to drive it like that?
The front bumper's on, right? But like half-ass?
No, no hood and no back bumper.
The front bumper is dead.
Yeah, but
The front bumper's on.
It's got the trunk lights only.
Yeah, trunk lights only.
it needs the tail lights. Is the red SPJ done?
Yes, the red one's ready.
Okay, find out between the two. I don't know.
All right, but if you put them on, they're not gonna fall off. Both
I want to tie it.
with tape.
I want to tie it with screw.
Oh, with screw. Okay, so when you say tie, that means tie with something.
No.
I say bolt. You bolt down. There's a big difference. Okay. By the time I come back, you should be ready. I'm thinking if we should just take these two, and then have someone bring us, or just take one at a time, and then you drive the van and then bring me back, and then, you know what I mean? Make a fucking executive decision, Joe.
I said bring the van.
All right, thank you.
Executive decision?
Hey, on YouTube, a lot of people miss you. They said bring John back. The guy, he talks a lot of shit to everybody.
You took it for too much.
No, I'm serious. You want to see it? You want to see the comment? He needs a hug. You need a hug? You give me a hug? All right, let's go. We're gonna take. You drive the van.
You get to drive the SUJ?
You need to drive behind me for this.
You're allowed to drive this car?
Yeah.
You know how?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
You just turn the key, right?
I think so.
Oh, damn! This is like a spaceship.
Yep.
I mean, I've never been on a spaceship, but should we turn it on?
You gave me the van key?
Yeah.
You have the key to this?
No.
Scott out to show off that he's driving the car in front of this girl. What an idiot. That drive.
It was hard, huh? It was amazing.
Yeah, was it the first time you drove it, like on the street?
No, I've driven it on the. I've driven another SVJ, but
this guy was showing off.
I put all the windows down, and they were like, "Damn!"
Why'd you get out of the car that one little time?
Oh, because the keys fell in the back.
Hey, I'm gonna get this one. It's cheap.
How much is it?
I don't know. It's not gonna be like 100,000. Look, how much will be this car? Like 80, 70?
This is actually much nicer than the BMW. You can drive this thing every day and not worry about potholes.
Bro, stop hating the BMW.
Look how big the tires are. You don't have to worry about
Doesn't
potholes.
matter. Stop hating.
Yeah, you
on a
drive this
BMW.
thing everywhere.
BMW has a SUV too, no?
It sucks. So, 2023 Raptor. Bronco edition, Raptor edition. Yeah, this thing only has 4,000 miles. This car is in here for a quick service. It's time for its first service, actually. A little earlier than, you should service these things, but 4,000, almost 5,000 miles is okay. We're about to do a good synthetic oil change on this thing, change the filter out. That's basically it. Not much to do. This thing's beautiful. Interior looks amazing. I think this is a great everyday car, actually. Definitely worth it. Only thing about this car that I would probably change would probably be the color, because it's black and this thing gets super dirty.
like black?
Scratches all over the place.
You don't like black?
Black is very rich. It's a rich color, but it's very hard to take care of.
This is how you don't want your paint to look. Somebody came and sanded this. It was probably a scratcher. Look, see?
Why did they sand it?
To level out the scratch.
You gotta polish it or what?
Yeah.
Oh, so it can be fixed?
Yes.
So why don't you do it?
I am. This is horrible. Look at this shit. These are rotary marks. This is because they just come with a rotary and a wool pad, and they don't follow up. And they did this in the shade. That's why they can't see that. Every time they polish your car in the shade, something's wrong. No, I'm just kidding.
You don't know? What are you checking for?
Fix little things like this corner right here. We have to fix it.
What happened here?
Oh, son cosas que tenemos que arreglar. Things we have to fix.
Tú eres profesional, ¿eh? Tú sabes ese trabajo muy bien.
Estoy aprendiendo.
No.
Aprende.
No.
For example, this is un carro,
Sí.
2022,
Sí.
STO, Lamborghini. Before I don't know that shit, ¿no?
No, tú sabes todo. ¿Cuántos años trabajando este trabajo? 10 años.
No.
20.
No.
25. 18.
No,
16.
más, güey.
30. 35 años.
Algo así, Simón.
Good job.
¿Sabes cuántos años yo tengo?
55 años tienes?
Uno menos.
56.
No, uno
Siete.
menos.
O sea, 54.
54 voy a tener. August 12.
August. Nice.
You're
¿Qué me
romantic.
vas a dar de regalo?
¿Ah?
¿Qué me vas a dar?
¿Motorcycle? ¿Quieres un motorcycle
Sí.
nuevo?
Sí.
Ok, no problema.
Un 600 is
Yo
fine.
comprar. Ok. No problem.
I remember that. In my birthday, I don't have the shit. I'm gonna kick your candy ass.
No problem.
When is your birthday?
August 12.
August 12th. You're gonna get a what?
A motorcycle. If,
Are you gonna let you to ride the motorcycle?
of course. You gonna ride behind me or in front of me?
No, behind you.
Oh, those are expensive.
This is really expensive.
How much?
This is more expensive than my car.
How much is that?
More expensive than my motorcycle.
Sarkis, how much is this?
Oh, that's expensive.
Expensive?
Just guess.
$10,000.
No, less than that, but
It's more than 10,000.
4,000.
That's $4,000.
Yeah.
No.
Yes,
Go
4,000.
two is more than 10,000. List price, close to like 14,000.
For both. So $7,000. Wow. The rear wheels turn a lot, huh?
Yeah, they do.
It's
Kind
wild.
of weird.
Let's go home 6 o'clock.
Why?
What time is it?
It's 4:45.
Can't even tell.
So you have an hour.
Yeah, we have to do a podcast.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right.
We have a Maybach S580 right here. We do a lot of these. This is a beautiful black one. The paint color is factory. We added this chrome trim on the bottom that only comes on the V12 models. We've done it before, and on the black and chrome looks really nice. So all this right here usually is black, and now we did it all chrome. So you have that big chrome face that looks really luxurious. It has some nice chrome wheels. Those are aftermarket. Looks good. It's lowered. It's got stars in the ceiling inside of it. It's a very clean Maybach. We're gonna right now go and take it to the wrap shop. Tow truck's gonna pick it up from there and take it to the customer because he really needs it tonight. And yeah, we did some paint correction stuff on it as well.
Why are you taking it to the wrap shop?
Didn't you just fucking hear they're picking it up? It's tow truck?
But no, why?
Fucking death or what?
But why can't they
Oh
pick it
my
up from
God.
here? No, why can't they pick it up from here?
It's picking it up after hours.
Oh, I see. I don't
You guys are gonna
know.
be doing the podcast.
You don't need to know. Anyways, take it to the wrap shop and let's go do the podcast.
You got it, Vic. Anything else? All right, you look good today.
You good. You deserve it.
Yeah, you did. You did a lot of work.
Don't give him one after
No,
he
give me
just
one of those
roasted
that
you
I
for
don't
that.
wanna Open it. Open it.
Why would you give him one? He was just making fun of you for getting a snack.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't.
All this.
Fucking lying. You're fucking instigator, bro.
You can't even spell instigator.
Oh, it's gonna touch right there. Damn, you're like touching a little bit right there in the tire. I think you'll clear it though. Go. Keep going.
As long as we don't hit the
Yeah, keep going. As long as you don't hit the rim. All right, keep going. Here. Keep going straight. Straight. Actually, I saw this one guy on Instagram. They have this garage, but they have 3 cars, and then they leave these hanging on there. I don't know, man. With the luck that RDB has, one of these things falls and.
It'll scrape the car.
Well, yeah, no shit, Joe.
Front radiator, left side, under the hood, has the covers. Those covers you ordered.
Javier's an idiot. I'm sick and tired of Javier losing everything.
Don't call him idiot again.
Let's go talk to Javier.
But how is possible that you order? Why the
Let's
person
see.
not there?
Because he told me order the brackets too, and I did. Oh, maybe they're not here yet. Hold on.
What?
Don't call him idiot.
I didn't call you an idiot, bro. Damn, relax, man.
Yeah, I'm relaxed.
Damn, lately you just been like violent.
Chilling out. Chilling.
Yeah, chill, bro.
No, because I need the parts and the person not here. I need to continue the.
And then they
freaking
tell you,
car.
and then they tell you hurry the fuck up, huh? And then you don't have the parts.
Yeah, and then I fuck up. I fuck up everything. So it's supposed to be we have the parts already over here. So it's not here. This just ordered right now. Look.
Hey, why are you doing Sarkis' job?
He's helping Sarkis anytime.
This guy's always driving an SF90.
You watch me.
5 feet? Why'd you have to do that? Oh, you just want to start it up?
What about him?
Be careful, Brian. Be careful, primo. Ahí. So, ten ahí. Why did you put it on? Oh, because we're gonna try to give the hood bumper or whatever, because it's one piece. Fit on the on all edges. Edges? I say right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if fit, we can leave it. If no, we have to adjust it. Oye, ¿quieres poner ya todos los tornillos, no, verdad? Nomás lo voy a apretar. Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha!